Check out what we've got here in the workshop today. This was a standard 20-foot container. The other half's just behind me here. We've cut it down to make two 10-foot containers. Now, people are often surprised when they ask for a quote. They assume that a 10-foot container is going to be half the price of a 20-foot container. The reality is that's just not true. One of the reasons for that is when they bring a new 20-foot container or a new 10-foot container over from China, they want to fill it with stock. And the 10-foot containers are just not cost effective. They actually come welded together, two 10-foot containers, and that means they don't have the same internal space as a 20-foot container. This problem, they've tried to resolve it by nesting containers together because people do want smaller shipping container solutions for certain things. So what they'll do is they'll send two 10-foot containers welded together. Inside those two 10-foots, there'll be two 8-foot containers. Inside the two 8-foot containers, there are two 6-foot containers. But unfortunately, the cost of those containers still isn't as cost effective as you might think. So one solution is to do what we're doing here behind me. We take a decent quality used container, we cut it in half, we put a new back wall on this container, because you see the container doors are still there, and on the other half behind me, which you can't see because it's on the other side, we're actually converting that one with a roller door, which makes for a great little shed or workshop. Now, if you're interested in finding out about a 10-foot container, have a chat to our team and talk to them about how you're using the container. Maybe you've got restricted space and you'd love a 20-foot container, but it just won't fit. If you're interested in something a little bit smaller than a standard container, call our team on 1300 556 991 or visit our website www.containersfirst.com.au.